Now, I'm going to be serving 5 people. This is the tortillas. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 plates. Each one gets 2. I'm going to get 3 because I'm kind of hungry today. So, now we're just going to get the chicken, and I need to get a fork. So I can get the chicken in. I need salsa. Sorry. Okay, now I have some little assistant helping me here right now. This is the chicken. This is sour cream if you want. You have extra sriracha if you really want. Right now, this is what we do. You get the chicken. Okay. And you put it in. Yeah, you don't have to be perfect about it. Just try and have it like in a line or something like that, you know? Just like right in the middle. Here you go. Just like that. See? Okay, now you just do the same with these ones. Okay. Okay, maybe. You know what? Sometimes, if your fingers are nice and clean, you save yourself a hassle and just go like that. Otherwise, it'll take you forever trying to pick at it with every little fork. Alright, so you just kind of grab a hold of some things like that. Hopefully, I have enough. Should have enough. It's 5 people. 5 chicken pieces. Always good to have a little extra because then you'll have it. And the good news is if you don't make your chicken spicy, you can use it for chicken salad sandwiches if it's not spicy chicken. Alright. Pardon my fingers. I'm glad they're clean. I have a habit of always washing them when it comes to this. Oops. There you go. Yeah. Thank you. There we go. See? Got a little assistant to help out with this. She's really good and fast at this thing. There you go. Thank you. Doing great. Alright. Here we go. See? Maybe one more piece for this. There's not much chicken left, but that's okay. Now, here comes the tasty treat. Hold on a second. Gotta move some things out of the way. Alright. So, looks like weird what I'm doing, but I'm trying to move it. I got so much room on here. So, get a little bit on each one. Yep. See? That's the peppers and onions sauteed. With lots of seasoning that you like. Your favorite seasoning is good. If you want spicy, that's what I did. I did extra spicy. And sometimes, try and play with it. That's one thing about fajitas. It's very forgiving. Oops. Okay. There we go. Some of us like it with the sour cream, and some of us like it with salsa. Sometimes, some people like it with both. Otherwise, if you don't like any of that, just eat it the way it is, plain and simple. Chicken and peppers. There's no meat in it, so if somebody can't handle dairy, there you go. There we are. Thank you very much for sharing with me.